What's good, YouTube? This your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs, back with another embroidery video. And gotta be quiet, guys. No, but seriously though, it is late. Let's see if I can do something real quick. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 3:16 a.m.
So it's 3:16 in the morning. Just know I'm grinding, y'all. That's all y'all need to know, man. Let's go ahead and get into this video. We're going to start it up. This is a design that I just made off the top of my head. I was just listening to a song and I was just thinking about like, yo, this sound dope. Basically, it'll be a globe or the world. And then around it, it'll say the world is yours and everything in it and the stitch out with the words. So we're going to go ahead and jump into this video, get it started. First time stitching it out. So, hey, hopefully it comes out good. Let's go ahead and get it started, guys. So what I am going to do right now is just trace everything just to see if it all fits. I think it will fit. Just want to make sure. So far, it looks like, I mean, yeah, everything could fit inside. So let's do it. Perfect. So what I will do is, I don't have the thread that's supposed to be in there. I have a black thread. So I'm going to go ahead and take that out. So the thread I'm supposed to have in is a 405. So let's find 405. Okay, so this is 405, but let me see if you can get it a little, there we go. But I think I might use another color. I'm gonna switch it up. Alrighty, so I do have the thread in. I went with a 4, I think it's 420. It's a little bit more lighter than the other blue, so I just went with that one. So, all right, all we have to do is go ahead and get it started now. So I actually just thought about something, but I'm gonna just go ahead and stitch it out. But I was thinking I could have just used felt. I could have just used some felt. Nah, it's all good. Let's go ahead and get it started. It really would have been a good idea to use some felt, but I just thought about it. I never did a border or outline to this design, so I really couldn't do this felt. So maybe next time I'll try to design with some felt, and yeah, we'll just see how the felt come out. I mean, I like using felt because of 2 reasons. 1, it looks clean, to be honest, and 2, also I save a lot of thread when I'm just using a border stitch. You know what I mean? So, like I said, I love using felt. It's definitely a thread saver. So, that's one reason why I do like using felt. So, coming out good so far. Just this color alone, this one will be 23 minutes. So, it is kind of a lengthy color. Let me know, guys. Like I said, I might think about turning this into some merch. You will see how it come out. I'll explain everything to you, but yeah, just stay tuned to the video, guys. So if you are still here and you're watching the video, thank you, guys. I really do appreciate it. Can you do me a huge favor? Go ahead and hit those notifications, subscribe to the channel, as well as thumbs up the video. Thank you, thank you. Stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. Sorry about the moving of the camera. Trying to get a good angle. And we are done. All right, let me try to bag out. Cool. So go ahead and change this thread. Stay tuned, guys. Be right back. All right, so I am starting it up with this green color. One thing I did just think about, I mean, it's too late now, but I did not do a basically cutout. So usually it would be a space there where you see the green at. And I'm just now thinking about it, but I didn't do a cutout. I will probably do it on another video, but I did not do a cutout on this, so it is stitching on top of thread. So it will be a lot of banging and noise because of thread on top of thread and of course tension. So let's see how that turns out. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. It's coming out actually clean. Like I said, I wish I would have did the. Sorry about that. I wish I would have did the cutout so that I think it would have been way more cleaner. Cause I'm kind of starting to see a little bit of blue poking through. It's not a lot, but just in little small places. So, but other than that, it looks good. Stay tuned for the merch, man. It's dropping soon. I'm trying to tell y'all. It's dropping soon. Stay tuned. Keep watching these videos. Also, the website should be up soon. Just trying to get all the little small details and stuff together. So these files will be up there on the website as well. So definitely stay tuned for that, guys. So just looking at some of the areas just like this over here, yeah, I should have scooted the image over a little bit more, which I didn't. I should have, but I did not. No biggie though. All of this is a rough draft, so trial and error. Also, I just saw that right there. It's a gap because of the thread direction and which way it was going. So that's something I will change in the software as well. It's crazy because just doing this so much and so many times, you just can catch things like so fast. And you already know what it is. Because honestly, with the pool compensation, I actually added a lot of pool compensation, so I can kind of see that everything is filling out great. Like as far as these parts, everything is filling out great. and that is because of the pull comp. So if it was probably less of pull comp, you might have seen loose stitches here or loose stitches on the, you know what I mean, like in different small points and areas, but it's coming out clean. So I think that's it. Yep. Alrighty. On to the next color, which will be black. Let's get that started now. So I don't know what actually happened. I am going to cut this, but it jumped out of the needle. I don't know if you can see that. It's not even in the needle anymore. So it jumped out of the hole and it got stuck right here. And yeah, so don't know how that happened, but it happened. So let me lift this up real quick, because basically, sorry about that, the bobbin maybe ran off track. It's a full bobbin. I don't know. Just gonna go ahead and rethread it anyway. It was weird. So it's back working. Like I said, I don't know what happened, how it happened, but it happened. So everything is looking great right now so far, other than this jumping. There's something about the S. Maybe it's too close, but every time it get to the S, that's when it starts to jump, and that's when the thread starts to pop out. Okay. So it didn't do it on that one. The S still came out kind of funny though. Late nights and early mornings, man. The grind don't stop, y'all. The grind do not stop. Alrighty, guys. Embroidery is finished and done. So what I will do is go ahead and cut some jump stitches, and I'll be right back, guys. Stay tuned. And also, if you are still here watching, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit those notifications. Subscribe to the channel. Also, thumbs up the video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for staying this long. I appreciate it. Stay tuned. All right, guys. So I'm finished cutting the jump stitches. Or, well, I thought. Yeah, I'm finished. So let me know what you guys think. How does it look? The world is yours and everything in it. Now, what does it symbolize? What does it look like? Can you guys see it? Do I need to give you a hint? Hold on, let's put it back some more. Do you see it? All right, wait a minute. Now, what does it look like? Perfect. Now you see it. So, yeah, it looks like an eye. So, basically, it's just like the world is yours and everything in it. So, by it being like an eye, I mean, it all depends on how you look at it, basically. Anything is possible, is basically what I'm trying to say. So, you know what I mean? Just go out there and get it, grind for it, work hard for it, and definitely put in the work. So, yeah. So, that was just a small little message. So, once again, guys, until next time, always stay blessed, guys. Always continue to strive for greatness. And I'm out.